Hello and welcome to Barb Talks. Today we're talking about overalls. And the reason why we're talking about overalls is because I've been getting a little rounder in the waistline. And so when I'm bending down, sometimes I get a little acid reflux, which may be too much information. But on the other hand, I was reading that maybe having something that isn't as tight on the waistline, it would make it easier when I'm out gardening and that type of thing. So I was thinking, well, that would be overalls, wouldn't it? Because you don't have a waistline for the most part. They're a little bit more forgiving, should we say. Olden days, the overalls, you had to take them off, and it was like a lot of rigmarole when you needed to go to the bathroom. So I was looking for something that had elastic, and these have elastics. Just like it's easier to get off. And I like that it's higher in the back. Has a little loop there. Not really sure what that loop in the back is for, but in the front it has a pocket there and a little pocket there. They got the typical buttons on the side, nice deep pockets. And another thing I like about these, oh, by the way, these are from Duluth. I bought these myself, so it's not like a sponsored thing or anything. But they've got a little pocket down on the side. But another thing I like about Duluth, got a gusset in the crotch. So you can actually bend down. You can move around in these. They're not skin tight. The other thing that's nice about them is on the knees, they've got darts in them. So it's easy to bend your knees. And you'll see that there's actually a big patch here. The knees are double, so when you're bending out in the garden, doing your gardening, you're not always going through the knees of your pants. And it's a little bit stretchy too. So it's cotton, a natural fiber, but also has that little bit of stretch added to it. Pockets in the back, pockets in the front, and a more slenderizing. There's some that I could have got that had the big wide legs, but I was looking for something that would be a little bit more forgiving so that I don't look like I'm being swallowed up in my overalls. So let's try them on. So here are the overalls, and they fit good up here. They are adjustable, so I can make it longer or shorter for here. Little pocket here. They've got pockets here. A pocket that I didn't see earlier, let me show you, is down here. Actually got a zipper pocket, a secret zipper pocket in the knee area. And there's where the darts are. The lining in the pocket is kind of a different stripy color. Got that little thing there. Little hammer pocket, back pockets. And little things that hold it up the side. So yeah. And noticed the waist, I can bend around. So in the garden, it'll be easier to do what I need to do. And they're a little long, but that's to be expected for somebody who's 5'2". But I do like being able to squat. And these pants are good for squatting with the knees and with the waistband not being pulling or anything. You can crawl around in the garden and get your work done. So these pants are pretty much what I was looking for. They're comfortable. You can move in them. You can bend in them. They don't hurt the waistline. And they were a decent price. And they're going to last for years and years and years. And if they don't, Duluth has a really good return policy. So that's it for taking a look at some overalls today. And thanks for watching Barb Talks.